$63 per hour with Google News, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online this year 2022. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is How to Earn Money Online with Google News. Today, you will learn one of the best ways to earn money online as it works for anyone on the internet, wherever you may be in the world. No need for social media followers, social networking, affiliate marketing and the likes, as you only need to copy and paste some text. You don't even need to have some sort of experience for you to do this. Now, right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below, "I am from blank, aka your country." In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. Step 1 is to visit google.com. Then step 2 is to search for Google News. With this, let me give you a little tip. You can see here that there is a domain that contains the latest and most updated news, which is news.google.com, the first website that you will see from the search results. Here you can find a wide range and numerous varieties of topics and news just like that of a newspaper. If you're looking for entertainment news, science news, health news, sports news, tech news, business news or anything according to your liking, you can find it right here. Among these categories, I want you to just focus on business, technology, entertainment, sports, science and health. Now I want you to click on health. And then you can see that the results will give you the most up-to-date and most relevant news articles that pertain to health. Feel free to discover by scrolling down to find an article that you like. Now, for example, this article, as it is just uploaded recently, just click the article and then copy the contents just like this. After doing so, we are set to move on to step 3, which requires us to go to another website. For this step, I want you to head over to spinbot.com. Spinbot will then be the website that will do the magic for you. Simply paste the contents of the article right here, and then Spinbot will rewrite the entire article for you. You will then have an entirely different article that's unique and original. You will be using those articles on 3 more websites that I will show you in just a bit. And of course, these websites will pay you for those articles, and some of them will even pay you per word in the article. In continuation, you will now make use of this rewritten article as we proceed to the next 3 websites wherein you will start earning money. So for the first website that I will be showing, you can submit the rewritten articles, or if you want to, you can even craft your own articles and submit them yourself. The website is called eatingwell.com. You may not be fond of writing long articles or lengthy news columns. So that is why I taught you all about Spinbot, since you can just use articles that you can find online and then reconstruct them using Spinbot, and eatingwell.com will pay you up to $1 per word. Let's say your article is composed of 1,000 words and you get paid $1 per word. That's probably the easiest $1,000 that you've ever made, since all you had to do is copy and paste the article, all in less than 30 minutes. If you're a little bit confused, let me show you how to actually submit an article here in eatingwell.com. So just navigate through the web page and you can find their email address on the bottom under the heading Contact Us. Now copy that email address and paste it in your email as the recipient. Compose your email with the content being the reconstructed article. And finally, type an article submission as the subject line. Your message is all set and all you have to do now is click on Send. After some time, they will send you an email asking for your payment information if they liked your article after reviewing it. If you prefer to get paid through PayPal, simply email them with your account information to claim your money. However, if you don't have a PayPal account or you choose not to get paid through PayPal, you can claim your money through bank transfer. Just give them your bank information and then the money will be deposited straight into your bank account. The best part is it doesn't stop there. There are still other websites that you can submit your articles to, which leads us to the second website that I'll be discussing with you. And that website is sierraclub.org, which is a site where you can also earn money by submitting those reconstructed articles. Just visit their official website and you can find anything that you need to know. Read the instructions and follow them accordingly, then finally, submit your articles through their email address. Just repeat the process that you underwent with eatingwell.com, but this time, you're going to submit it to sierraclub.org. So simply fill in the contact information, type an article submission on the subject line, and compose your email. Just a tip, you can expand your article choices here with topics related to technology and science as opposed to eatingwell.com, where they only accept health and fitness related articles. So just go back to Google News and find articles related to these for better outcomes in earning money. Moving on to the third website, where you can submit your articles, is daily.jstor.org. Simply visit their website, read the guidelines, and follow the instructions given. Unlike the two previous websites, this website will offer you less money, but overall is a pretty good deal considering you don't have to do much. Also, outcomes are evenly maximized, since the website will only limit you for up to 2,000 words, while paying you 31 cents per word. Seems low for you? Then let me tell you this, earning 31 cents per word is really not that bad, as you will be able to milk this out by submitting more articles, thus adding your money quickly. Just like what I told you, it's so easy, and you can do this even if you don't have any previous experience or skills.